this week we got a new razor in the shop, one of the 1000 models. Pretty sick how they come stock, but it's just missing one thing, COFFIN muffler. So we fabbed up the system for it, handmade everything, flanges, tips, even the muffler. We put a Q series on it just to make it a little bit more quieter because we knew it was going to be pretty loud with that 1000 motor. We had done an Arctic Cat a while back, and with this one we just wanted to do a little bit something different, so we went with like a dual tip, and ended up having to make silencers for it that went inside the tips, but everything's all removable, so hope you like it. Be sure to hit up the site, thecoffinmuffler.com.